We've just finished developing the first phase of our new tool, XYZ Smasher. This is planned to be a suite of software to make handling XYZ and raster data much simpler and easier for a wide range of use cases including CAD, BIM, and hydraulic modeling. We initially developed XYZ Smasher as a productivity tool to help us build hydraulic models rapidly. We use meshing software which cannot read in files larger than 2 GB, and so we needed a way to quickly break down enormous datasets into bite-sized chunks. We also predominantly work with rasters, so it was a good opportunity to streamline the process. The premise of the tool is simple. It simply converts data from one form to another, while also doing some tidy up in between. It will also enable users to convert rasters, even if they are not GIS literate. The basis of the tool is to quickly move from a raster, such as an ASCII file or GeoTIFF, into a space-delimited text-based XYZ file. XYZ files are often easier for software like CAD and modeling packages to read. The tool also includes some cleaning subroutines. It is not uncommon to find that a raster file has lost its native definition of no data. Our tool lets users override this and define a specific value to ensure that no data does not appear in the outputs. Further to this, you can set minimum and maximum elevation thresholds, which removes XYZ points below and above the height band of interest. The result is a smaller number of points, which is usually easier to then import into other software. The following demonstration shows how to use the tool. When you download the files, the directory will look like this. The exe can be run without installation. When you first use the tool, you'll be prompted with an end-user license agreement. Please read this and accept the terms before continuing. You will also notice that the trial license has a number of days left. The alpha finishes at the end of May 2020. You will then be prompted with this window. The About button includes version and legal information. The License button pulls the end-user license agreement and license information window open. To import a compatible raster, click the Tool button here. Select and open the file. This will then inform you the native no data value as well as some other information about the file. To assign an output, click this Tool button. Clicking Smash will convert the file. In this instance, the other options haven't been used. For small files, the tool works rapidly. This next demonstration uses a very large raster. Here we will assign the outputs as before, but also enable the Smasher algorithm. This will break down outputs into 1 GB chunks. Here we are using a machine with 32 GB of RAM, but the outputs are significantly larger than this. As a result, the tool will run slowly, but it will also be stable. It took 12 hours to produce about 100 GB of cleaned XYZ files on our machine. We left this algorithm running overnight in order not to disrupt our workflow. The tool works by first pulling the lines of the raster into local RAM, It then processes and cleans this data in line with the specified no data and elevation thresholds. After this, the algorithm breaks the master XYZ file down into the chunk sizes specified by the user. This is an alpha, so we are anticipating some technical problems. Please don't be worried about this. If you run into problems, please let us know by emailing us. If you have a feature that you would like to be included, please let us know. It might be that this can be included without significant modifications, or it might already be planned for future releases. We have more planned features in the pipeline, which we will announce at the beta stage. Thanks for listening. Please don't hesitate to contact us by email if you have any extra questions. To take part in the alpha, please head to our website at cc-hydro.com and head to the software page. Here you can enlist, and we will send you the download link for the software.